Let's try to find some buying opportunities in the stock market using technical analysis, looking at the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. And when we see an advantage on the side of the buyers, then we can take position going long. And when we see an advantage for the seller, then we can take a position going short. So Tesla is up on almost $2 at 170.83. Post-market, we are up by 3 cents. So let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. 174.89, the upper part of the congestion zone is no longer there. We do not have stochastic over 60. So as I said, any move up without stochastic over 60 is not to be believed. So we have a perfect example right here. So, this is going absolutely nowhere. We are still into a congestion zone between 174.89 and 155.46. So the stock is supposed to go sideways. So until it breaks 179.89 on the upside, we have nothing to do. And until we break 155.46 on the downside, there is nothing to do. This is easy. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is stable. We are at 1305, very close to 1264. No stochastic in sight. So, the stock market should be doing okay. US bond also falling by 1.6%. This is helping the stock market too. But US dollar is not helping that much. We have an increase in 0.41%. Let's now take a look at the stock indices to see how the market is faring. Dow Jones, just a little bit of a pullback after the break that we had at 39,295 right here. So this is just a pullback. The buy signal is still valid. S&P 500, also just a little bit of a pullback. NASDAQ, this number is really important at 13,336. We have broken that number yesterday during the day. We did not close above. And today we are closing just a little bit above. So the official number is 38,336 and 35 cents. And we close at 44 cents. So right smack on it. So, I don't call it a break when it's just too close like this. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven, the great stocks. So Apple is not doing that well. So we are up today, up 0.53% today. But we are back into our downward bearish channel. So this is what the stock should be doing until it breaks either this line or that line. So nothing to do. We just have to watch for that break when it happens. Amazon going sideways. AMD also into our congestion zone. It's supposed to go sideways until it stops. ARM. So yes, we had the break right here on the 1 hour chart. This is still a valid. It has not moved much. This is up 0.41%. Google is trying. We are trying to break 151.88. Trying to break it. We broke it during the day. We closed just below. So once we are going to break it, then this is going to be a buy. We already have a stochastic over 60, so that would be great. Microsoft, the buy signal is still valid. We are still above 127. We came lower during the day. We're pushed back up. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we see it. We came lower, boom, was pushed back up. So everything's fine for now. Meta, it is still valid. This is going sideways. NVIDIA, we had the break yesterday, break of this downward resistance. Now it's moving further. Palantir is into a congestion zone. I would not buy unless we go higher than 25.52. SMCI cannot break back 982.37. We don't have stochastic over 60 either. So, we need these two things to happen at the same time. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So BYD is caving in to 28.16. Not too surprisingly. So maybe it's going to have to pull back a little bit. So we have the earnings call Tuesday of next week. So maybe this will allow us to break 28.16. If we break 28.16, this is a go. Lucid going sideways. Neo Battery Material. Okay, yes, we have gotten back 18 cents. But there's no buy impulse yet. Neo is continuing to crater. Novonix losing 231. So I'm pretty disappointed in that one because we had a nice move up right here. This one is pretty much gone. Yes, we have some support at 218, but stochastic is plunging, so I have less faith in that one now. Expanding, dropping, nothing to see here. Bitcoin still on support. We have lost stochastics and we are on support. So I don't know what is going to happen, but we surely had a big pullback for the past week or two. Bitcoin still above 28. If it goes lower, then I'm out. Micro strategy incorporated, we went like this, came like this, and boom, boom. So yeah, this is the big congestion zone for that one between 1226.37 and 1818.54. It is going sideways between these two. Ripple also pulling back, and gold, we have lost 1686. So lots of zigzagging happening. So, my next buy signal for gold is going to be at 1705. Before that, I will disregard what is happening. And silver continuing its way down. So, not a great week for Tesla. I am expecting that one to go to, we should be getting down to 155.46 easily next week, easily, where we have some more important support. Here we had support right here. And now, there's not much reason why we should be hanging up in there instead of just touching 155.46. So we'll see if it happens next week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk also on Sunday during the Tesla Weekly Live I do every Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.